Hey guys, today I'm making pecan nut baklava. To make the syrup, in a pot on high heat, add in the sugar, water, and lemon juice. Allow the syrup to boil till it reduces by about a quarter and thickens slightly. Shout out to my sister-in-law Khoa for my awesome stationery. To make the filling, grind your nuts in a food processor and add in your ground cardamom and sugar. Mix it well and set it aside. Take a sheet of your phyllo pastry and spread on some melted butter. If you don't have a brush, you could use a butter knife and some softened butter. Spread 3 tablespoons of your filling in a row on the short edge of the pastry sheet. Fold the pastry over the filling and roll tightly. Place the roll onto a greased baking sheet and brush the tops with some butter. Use a knife to make straight or diagonal cuts across all the rolls. Bake this in a 180-degree oven for 20 minutes till light brown and crispy. Remove it from the oven and immediately brush or spoon on your syrup. For this amount of baklava, I used all but about a tablespoon of the syrup. You can leave it as is or sprinkle on some colored almonds. Allow it to cool completely and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!